11. Remedies of throat pain. Throat pain is the primary symptom of a sore throat. A sore throat can be very uncomfortable. The main symptoms are pain and irritation in the throat, especially when swallowing. Number 1. Honey. Honey is a great cure for throat pain. Mix honey in tea or take on its own is a common household remedy for a sore throat. Honey is an effective wound healer, which means it may help speed healing for sore throats. Number 2. Salt water. Gargling with warm salt water can help soothe the sore throat and break down secretions. It helps to kill bacteria in the throat. Make a salt water solution with a half teaspoon of salt in a full glass of warm water. Gargle it to help reduce swelling and throat pain. Number 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is naturally soothing. Cinnamon is a fragrant and delicious spice with a high antioxidant content. It can also provide antibacterial benefits. Drinking chamomile tea can offer the same benefit. Number 4. Peppermint. Peppermint is known for its ability to freshen breath. Diluted peppermint oil sprays may also relieve sore throats. Peppermint tea contains anti-inflammatory compounds and is very soothing to the throat. The mint may also slightly numb the throat, thereby relieving pain. Number 5. Baking soda gargle. Gargling of baking soda mixed with salt water can help relieve a sore throat as well. Gargling this solution can kill bacteria and prevent the growth of yeast and fungi. Mix 1 cup warm water, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt and gargle to release the pain. Number 6. Fenugreek. Fenugreek tea is a natural remedy for sore throats. It can relieve pain and kill bacteria that cause irritation or inflammation. Fenugreek is also an effective antifungal. Number 7. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root contains a mucus-like substance that coats and soothes a sore throat. Simply add some of the dried root to a cup of boiling water to make tea. Sipping the tea 2 to 3 times a day may help ease throat pain. Number 8. Licorice root. Licorice root has long been used to treat sore throats. Mix licorice root with water to create a solution for gargling. Number 9. Slippery elm. Slippery elm has a mucus-like substance in it. Mix it with water, it will form a slick gel that coats and soothes the throat. To use, pour boiling water over powdered bark, stir, and drink. Number 10. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural health tonic. It has been a staple in folk medicine remedies for centuries. Its main active ingredient, acetic acid, helps fight bacteria. Number 11. Ginger. Ginger also has natural antibacterial properties. Add 1 tablespoon ginger with a liter of water and make a tea. You can also add honey for better improvement. These simple home remedies will work for the infected throat and release the pain.